Hello, this is Unit 9, Lesson 5, Calls for Reformation and Responses After 1900. So, we have a lot of critical changes throughout this period. After the World War II, there were a lot of civil rights movements in India, Americas, as well as other places. So, some key subtopics that you need to know about are the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. This was made by the United Nations, which was the successful party of all nations combined to thwart any further conflict and to resolve any wars. Uh, so the UNICEF is an agency dedicated to protecting the rights and well-being of children worldwide. So basically, most of these organizations were meant to make safeguards around the world globally so nothing would cause another war or rebellion against authority. Next, we have the global feminism movement. A feminist perspective had swept globally around the world to push for the acceptance of women's rights to vote and just baseline human rights to be treated the same way a man would on a global scale. The U.S. civil rights encompass the fundamental rights and protections guaranteed to all citizens regardless of race or color, including the right to vote, ensuring equality and freedom from discrimination. Next, we have the African National Congress, formed from the apartheid, I'm sorry if I butchered that, as a South political party in Africa. Its election had spawned Nelson Mandela, a president of South Africa. Next, we have the Tiananmen Square, which was a reaction towards Turkey Dick or President Dixon. I'm sorry, President Nixon, who visited China on democratic business. Basically, all you need to know about this event is basically China was not happy about the democratic movements and parties, so they brought out their military and ran them over with tanks and guns. I know it's crazy, right? Then we have Earth Day and Greenpeace. Basically, these are awareness days in order to thwart global warming as we become more aware of our effects on the environment and our planet. So, to summarize, the world has called for new change and peer through the world through different lenses in order to challenge racial hierarchy as well as gender bias, religious, and class, all of the causes for global integration to foster a better world. Thank you. This has been Unit 9.5.